representing team, motivating you elite. Today I want to go over how to make a very simple recipe of protein pancakes. It's one of my favorites, and it's super easy and super quick. Let's get to it. Alright guys, first thing, microwave safe container, and we're going to do a half cup of plain oats. I'm going to pour that in there. And then just pour enough water in there to cover up the oats. You don't want too much, because then you have a very loose batter. Alright, to cook the oats, I just microwave for about 2 minutes. Alright guys, as soon as that's done in the microwave, add 1 egg. We'll add 1 scoop of protein. I'm going to use Pride Nutrition ISO Respect. Anybody interested in Pride? PrideNutrition.com. Discount code Murfbot. 30% off. Can't argue with that. Going to put the protein in there and just mix it all together. Alright guys, so in this point in the recipe, you can pretty much add whatever you want to the batter. Any kind of fruit, peanut butter, chocolate chips if you want. I'm going to go ahead and do half a cup of blueberries. Make sure you go ahead and spray your pan down. Any kind of Pam or oil. I'm using the Pam olive oil. Works pretty good. Let's go ahead and put our first pancake down. Alright guys, that's the video. That's the recipe. That's how you do it. I actually don't want to show you the finished product because I managed to destroy it taking it off the pan. So just don't do that and you'll be okay. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.